Man accused of killing woman and fleeing the island, court date set for August the 9th. Hi again and welcome. This is an updated report of a previous newscast we brought to you. We'll be right back after the break.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaican man accused of killing a 25-year-old woman in Westmoreland and then fleeing the island for 4 years is to appear in the Westmoreland Parish Court on Tuesday, August the 9th. The accused man, 25-year-old Ada Russell of Pee Wee Lane, Westmoreland, was charged on Sunday, August the 1st. He was picked up by detectives when he returned to the island on a deportation flight on Thursday, the 29th of July 2021. He is accused of killing Nadian Dyer of Pee Wee Lane, Westmoreland, and fleeing to the United States back in 2017. Reports from the Negril police are that relatives reported Dyer and her 4-year-old daughter missing on June 5, 2017. An investigation commenced and the probe led detectives to the missing woman's house where her decomposing body was found with multiple stab wounds. Investigators later revealed that Russell traveled to the United States on Sunday, August 23, 2017. He was subsequently arrested for a crime he committed in that country and was deported back to Jamaica. He was arrested on a warrant on Sunday, August the 1st and later charged with the murder in relation to Dyer's case. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.